आजकल के हसल बसल में डू यू थिंक क्रिएटिविटी की
Yeah.
जगह कम हो गई है?
या लोगों का पैसे ज़्यादा कमाने हैं, सो दे जस्ट थिंक कि अरे बनाओ एंड लेट्स मूव ऑन टू अ न्यू प्रोजेक्ट, दे डोंट
बट
लीव अ
फिर भी क्या
यूनिकनेस
ऐसा
इन देयर.
उसके बीच में भी क्या ऐसी भीड़ है लोगों की
हाँ,
who are interested in doing
obviously,
creativity?
obviously. मतलब there are a lot of buildings all over the world. uh, you see the Guggenheim Museum in Bilbao, Spain, and there are a lot of buildings in UK, US, even in India. So, which are done in the last 45, 50 years, which are done even now. Bharat Mandapam is the newest building in Delhi, जो अभी बनी है, which is very nice. A very unique architectural touch. So there are people who are doing this. Ayodhya ka mandir is one of them, which is constructed, which is designed in such a way कि वो बिल्कुल ऐसा, हाँ ठीक है मंदिर ही तो है. या there are a lot of buildings, a lot of places. बैंगलोर का एयरपोर्ट है, एयरपोर्ट लखनऊ में भी है, दिल्ली में भी है. दिल्ली ऑल्सो हैज़ यूनिकनेस, बट बैंगलोर का एयरपोर्ट इज समथिंग डिफरेंट, सिंगापुर का एयरपोर्ट इज समथिंग डिफरेंट. सो देर आर पीपल आउट देयर हु आर डूइंग थिंग्स, बट देन देर आर ऑल्सो पीपल हु आर डूइंग जेनेरिक थिंग्स. कि आई हैव सीन पीपल कि 1200 स्क्वायर फीट का ये भी प्लॉट था, अगला प्रोजेक्ट भी ये कॉपी कर देते हैं, थोड़ा बहुत चेंज करेंगे, करते हैं, ख़त्म करते हैं. Because they are in a hurry of earning money, which is not wrong if the client agrees to the design. But I genuinely feel that if you're doing anything residential, commercial, you should try to bring in something new.
Talking about something new, we went to Egypt after marriage,
Yeah.
both of us,
Yeah.
and I think one of your thing to be attracted to go there was obviously
Pyramids. Yeah.
pyramids, and all in all
Yeah, Abu Simbel and everything. It's
the
magnificent.
whole civilization,
Yeah,
Egyptian civilization. You've also worked on conservation projects in India, as you
Uh-huh.
said before. What's your take on that? Like,
So Egypt is more about archaeology rather than conservation, because Egypt was a city below the ground. They had to dig it out. Pyramids were below the ground. They had to dig it out.
but I am talking more so in terms of, so if you've seen, like when you ended up working on designs and old
Yeah.
patterns of Indian structure,
Yeah.
and and then you looked at them.
I loved them. If I would be getting regular, so I left conservation because regular projects nahi mil rahe the. There are some people in the field, obviously great people, who are working on the projects. They're great, but then you don't get regular projects. So that is why I left conservation. नहीं तो मैं नहीं छोड़ती. On a very serious note, I love heritage buildings and I would be doing that if it was in my hands. I still try on and off to get some projects, but it's quite difficult.
Not there's something I want you to ask, and this is I'll be asking you, sorry.
Yeah.
And I want you to answer it solely from your instinct.
Yeah.
Okay. So when we look at these mega structures,
Uh-huh.
old structures, we look at pyramids,
Uh-huh.
we look at, for example, Brihadeshwar temple in Johor.
Uh-huh.
Okay. So there is an element of, so there is logic
Mm-hmm.
and there is कैसे किया होगा,
Yeah.
क्या इस पे कोई शक्तियाँ थी. So when you look at it,
Yeah.
like what does your mind say? क्योंकि there aren't answers till yet.
Yeah.
But then do you think कि नहीं सही बोल रहे हैं कुछ mythology मतलब कुछ होगा या
Maybe,
you are like
yeah.
नहीं, there are answers to which we haven't
So
discovered.
all these buildings are architectural marvels. They were well thought of, properly designed, well executed. Everything was like, I won't say 100% because nothing is 100%, but maybe 99% perfect. So the temples in India, the pyramids in Egypt, they are very well thought of. And if you talk about Egypt, people still don't know कि वहाँ पत्थर कैसे पहुँचाया.
And
Although
that is what I want you to answer. You
So
think you
these are
believe
not-
in those stories,
no, so
gods,
these-
and उन्होंने किया होगा या you have
so
कि यार कुछ तो
Yeah.
है इसका logical जो हमें नहीं पता.
So there were, I think people back then were more capable. We have machines now and we are still not able to make those great structures. उनके पास machine नहीं थी, but I think उनके पास दिमाग बहुत था. And they made such structures which people, I think people today can do that, बट दे जस्ट डोंट वांट टू कि अरे छोड़ो क्या करना है. बट आई थिंक हो सकता है. वी हैव मशीन्स नाउ. उनके पास मशीन नहीं थी, बट आई डोंट थिंक इट्स माइथोलॉजिकल है कुछ कि भगवान आए और पिरामिड के ऊपर वाला पत्थर रख के चले गए. इट वॉज ऑल वेल थॉट ऑफ, वेल डिजाइंड, एंड दे so there are inscriptions and everything which suggest कि maybe ये ऐसे बना हो. So it's all about their intelligence कि कैसे किया उन्होंने.